I wish everyone a good day. I'm KD Kaluarachchi. After observing the atmospheric anomalies over the past few weeks, following the calculations, it is possible to expect the development of atmospheric, oceanic, or subsurface anomalies in or near the marked regions. This condition can stimulate earthquakes if the energy stored in the fault zone is released. Roughly estimated values are close to the suspected time range of potential earthquakes. There is also the possibility of other weather conditions or disasters. So it's better to pay close attention to the immediate areas. Thank you very much.